You will love the features of this 2021 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.